Small living area space. This is going to be your entire kitchen area space. If you notice, you have master bedroom. If you can already tell, the master bedroom is extremely spacious. So here's presenting Kohinoor by Auro Realty. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual flat tour of Kohinoor by Auro Realty, which is located opposite to IKEA in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. And as you can see, this is the exact location of project. So this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is exactly over here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now let's get to know about the project. You see, this project is constructed on 12.3 acres of land parcel, featuring in total 7 towers with ground plus 41 floors, having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the amenities part, you are going to get here a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse that is going to be 50,000 square feet, that also has your gym, and then on that side you will also have your tennis court, and on this side you have your swimming pool area and a lot more. Now, coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project, which is located opposite to IKEA in the Hi-Tech City. And this is your entire connectivity. From here, you easily get connected to your Gachibowli outer ring road. You also easily get connected to your Hi-Tech City area. When we talk about the connectivity, you see the Cyber Gateway is just 4.9 kilometers from here, and the Gachibowli outer ring road is also just 5.6 kilometers away, and the Lulu Mall is just 5.3 kilometers from here. Hello everyone, now we'll be doing the actual flat tour for Kohinoor 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 2168. So let's get this video started. Now as you can see, on first obviously you have your door, which has your normal key lock system. And then right opposite to that you have this first small living area space. This is also extremely spacious at the same time. So you have a lot of corner space designed on this entire unit. So if you want, you can add these storage units and design it however you like. Your TV can come on that corner, and then you have your AC and your fan as well. And then right on that side of the living area corner, you also have your window area space. So this is going to be your first small unit area for living space. And then as we move forward inside of the living area, so you have this small corner space over here. So if you want, you can still design something on this corner. And then opposite to that you have your first washroom, which will be your common washroom. If you notice, the common washroom itself is very extremely spacious, and the best part is the common washroom has a shower system as well, and the tiling and flooring has been done perfectly. You have your toiletry also space designed perfectly, and on that side you have your exhaust fan system as well. Now moving over to your other space areas. So again, your living area is divided into 2 more spaces, as you can notice. So this is going to be your first corner, which can be turned into your dining area. This is also again extremely spacious, and you also have a lot of corner space area left on this side. So because you can add or turn that by adding your wash basin over here, or design the unit space as per your choice. And then this is going to be your other space area. As you can see, this is also extremely spacious, so you can add a lot of couches over here on this corner as well, and another TV space can come here. Again, on both the corners you also have your AC units and your fan switches given. Now both these space areas also have balcony system. So your living area space has 2 different balcony spaces. So that is one of your balcony space on that side of your living area, and your other balcony area space is right opposite to your dining space areas. Both of your balcony areas give direct view access point to the entire society from outside. Now coming forward to your kitchen is also again very close to your dining area, which is perfectly designed. So this is going to be your entire kitchen area space. If you notice, you have a lot of space area for walking in the kitchen. It's very wide. Can add a lot of storage units inside your kitchen as well. You have a lot of space on this corner, which means your fridge can come, your switch is given, and again you have some space over here. If you want, you can add some kitchen accessories. You have your chimney system given, and then you have one small window on this corner right up with your exhaust fan, and you also have an balcony, your utility balcony again, which is spacious, and you have direct sunlight ventilation you can use for washing machine, for washing your clothes, and you have direct ventilation source. Now moving into our first bedroom, as you can see, this is also really extremely spacious, and this has proper space units divided. So on this corner, if you want, you can add your study table, or you can again choose to change that, add an extra wardrobe. And then this side again you have your wardrobe system. Even after adding the bedding system, you have a lot of space area to walk on this corner. So if you want, you can move the bed a little more towards that side and add a drawer, table, or design however you like. And this room also comes with an attached washroom. So the attached washroom also again is extremely spacious, if you notice, and the toiletry and shower system is divided properly inside the washroom. The tiling and flooring again is perfect inside the washroom. You have your exhaust system placed on the right area as well. Now moving forward with our second bedroom. So this is going to be your second bedroom. If you want, you can use this for your guest or your kids room as well. This is also again close to your living and dining area. And you have proper fan, AC units here as well attached. This is a very cozy room. You have small space area given on this corner. You can add your TV. And then again you have your normal window system given on this side of the corner. You can add your wardrobe system also on this area space, and you again have a lot of walking space both between your bed systems. Now before we move into our master bedroom, let me tell you quickly about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you get all the information you need about the project, like location, and we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you also get EMI, down payment, and exclusive pricing details of the project. You also get a 360 virtual tour of the project. If you want to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you can click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, or you could go to Housey's official website. So this is going to be your master bedroom. If you can already tell, the master bedroom is extremely spacious from the walk-in itself. You have your bedding system, and then right on that corner area space, if you notice, you already have a lot of space to walk. You can add your table, chair, and you also have a window system designed on that side of the corner. And if you notice this side of the corner, again you have the same space area. So here again, if you want, you can add your small study table. Your TV comes on that corner of the unit, and you have proper window system, enough for sunlight, ventilation. After adding your wardrobe system as well, you still have a lot of corner area space left over here for walking, which is again meaning that it's very spacious. Now if you notice behind the door over here, again you have a lot of walk-in closet area space design, and even before that you also have this space area given over here. And then right in front of that you have your attached washroom. If you notice, your attached washroom also is very spacious. You have proper glassware system designed for your shower system, and you also have your exhaust fan, tiling, flooring perfectly placed inside the washroom. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about Kohinoor. Hope you liked the walkthrough. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.